Hello, everyone. Are you wondering how to get rid of dog smell? Let's explore. To get rid of dog smell, it is important to focus on both your dog and their environment. Regular grooming is key to keeping your dog smelling fresh. Bathing your dog every 4 to 6 weeks with a dog-friendly shampoo can help remove dirt, oil, and odors from their coat. In between baths, brushing your dog regularly can remove loose fur and prevent the buildup of dirt and dander. Cleaning your dog's bedding, blankets, and toys frequently is also essential for eliminating odors. Washing these items every 1 to 2 weeks helps prevent the accumulation of dog hair, dirt, and saliva, which can contribute to the smell. Vacuuming your home, especially carpets and furniture, helps remove pet hair and dander that can carry odors. For persistent dog odors, you can use pet-safe deodorizing sprays or air purifiers to freshen up your home. If your dog's smell is unusually strong or unpleasant, it could be a sign of a health issue, such as skin infections or dental problems, and a vet visit may be necessary. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Goodbye.